Welcome to another episode of Half-Assed How-To, the channel where we provide unrealistic solutions to real challenges. I'm Phineas, and today I'm going to show you how to make a half-assed hand warmer. Here in Minnesota, winters can get pretty cold. It's easy to head out for a walk and discover it's a little colder than you thought it would be. You find yourself wishing you had remembered to bring some of those little chemical hand warmers, but it's too late. Your fingers are going from freezing to numb, and you're a long way from home. What to do? Well, if you have a dog, and if you don't, you should, and if you brought your dog on your walk, and if you didn't, you should have, there's hope. Just wait for him to poop, and then pick up that poop in a plastic bag, which you did remember because you're a responsible pet owner. So all you do is take the bag and drop it into your mitten and tuck it in, just like that. And it should keep your hand warm for a good long time, or at least long enough to get back to civilization. And that's how you make a half-assed hand warmer. Okay, come on, Sonny.